Welcome to the new video, guys. So in this video I will tell you how to create a YouTube channel. It is very easy, and I will tell you how to create YouTube channel. So first of all, as you following me, I tell you in previous video how to create a Gmail account, and after Gmail account I will tell you how to create a YouTube channel. So I will create a YouTube channel on this account. First of all, we will click on YouTube. Here it will be open. Now we will click on sign in. Here you're seeing this is the logo. I am already signed into the account. This is my Gmail account. Here we will click on create a channel. So it is asking for upload a picture or your channel name, so I will keep my channel name like this, and I will upload a picture later. So I will click on create channel. So it will take some time for loading, and here we go. Our YouTube channel has been created. So it is saying upload a video to get started, start sharing your story and connecting with viewers. Videos you will upload show up here. So okay, I'm sorry. Here we can see our channel again. First it was showing create your channel, now it's showing your channel. So now here I will tell you how to customize your channel. We'll click on customize channel, and I will show you how to customize your channel. So it is saying welcome to the YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio has personalized insights and latest news, insider tips, analytics, and more. So I will click on continue. Here we will go on basic information. We will start from here. Okay, here we will write description, what is our channel about, and what videos we're gonna upload. So I have made this video for the technical videos. We'll write here hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will be making I'm sorry, I will be making some useful videos about tech. Okay, keep watching my channel and share with your friends, and thanks. And this is my channel URL. I will copy it, and I will click here add link. I will type a title. I will say YouTube, and I will paste that URL here. Okay, so that link has been added to my YouTube channel. So I will not write any email here or content information. So I will click on publish. So this information will be published, and we can see by clicking view channel. Okay, so now at the time we do not have any thumbnail or something to show here. So now I will click on again on customization here on branding. So first of all I have to make a profile of my YouTube channel icon, then thumbnail, and then the watermark. First of all, it is a very useful website Canva that I use for my thumbnails and YouTube icon. So we will click here and search YouTube icon. Okay, this is channel logo, so we'll click on here. Here are already pre-made logos we can find from here, like these are plenty of it. So I will use a simple one. I don't know why it is showing that animation. Let me close it. Hmm, that page. Okay, I'm going to delete it. I think I chose that wrong option. Channel art. That would be good. Yes. No, 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 no. Channel logo is the right one, but I don't know why it is showing that. Okay, don't worry. Here we will click on one logo. There are a lot of. So our video is technical. We can find here tech and hit search. So these are the tech. I am liking this. I think this is good. So here we will write our channel name, like my name is Ali, and I will write Ali Tech videos. That will be good. And I will download it, save download, and png form. Okay, transport parent background, download. It is downloading. Here it is downloaded, and we will come here and click on upload. Here we will go to downloads, and so I think I have made a little bit mistake. I have to change that font color. Font color white. I will make it black, and I will make that color into the blue, and that color will be fine. Okay, so now I will download it again. Okay, so it has been downloaded. We click on upload. We will go to downloads. Here we go. So this is our channel logo. How it will be show. I will click on done. It is done. Now we will make a mm, channel art that is called that banner image. So there are a lot of pre-made. So we will search here tech, and a lot of pre-made design will come here. So that one is good. We will rename it like Ali Tech videos. I don't need that. We will delete it. Okay, we will save. Okay, download it. It is being downloaded. We'll go there and click on upload. Here are the, so it is showing on all devices like this, so on TV like this, on desktop like this. So it will go. Okay, I am good, and we'll click on publish. So our channel has been created and all information is completed. We'll click on view channel, and like look, there is a logo and there is thumbnail, that is link for our